So when we talk about Fraxel and why it's so popular, it's because it works for all those concerns that many of us have. Things like lines that are starting to appear, sun damage, brown spots, melasma, acne scars, surgical scars. It really does everything, the Fraxel Dual. And that's why we've had it for 10 plus years. And it's been our most popular laser by far. So what is the Fraxel Dual laser? It's a fractionated laser that diffusely resurfaces the skin. So what that means is in each of the treatments, it evenly resurfaces 33% of the skin. And that's why in the 3 treatments that we recommend in this series, you get to that 100% with minimal downtime. And it's used to treat a lot of things. So when we talk about dual, we call it dual because it has 2 wavelengths. There's one wavelength that treats sort of the surface. So think about your brown spots, your sun damage. And then there's another wavelength that treats deeper. So things like collagen remodeling for fine lines, wrinkles, even some melasma, acne scars, those kind of things. So the way that it works is it causes these little micro injuries in the skin in this sort of diffuse process, but it also leaves a lot of skin around those little micro injuries untreated. And that's why you get rapid healing, and then you get those final results over the series of 3 treatments. And that's why also the downtime is so minimal. And, I do my 3 Fraxels every year, as you guys have probably seen, and I work the entire time with no problem. The reason Fraxel has been my gold standard laser to treat both myself and all my patients is because it's so safe and reliable. We can literally use it in all skin types, people of all different colors and shades. The number one reason that, patients look for Fraxel is sun damage, but it works for everything from, like I said, fine lines, wrinkles, acne scars, surgical scars. It's just efficacious and reliable. And you can also know that the downtime afterwards I tell my patients, it's textbook. First couple days, nothing really comes off. 3, 4, 5th day, you get that little speckling of those coffee grounds. But again, that's not anything where you're gonna, scare people at the grocery store. You can put a little tinted moisturizer on and go about your way. And then, 5th, 6th day, those little coffee grounds or, rough skin falls off and your skin feels and looks beautiful. So Fraxel's always going to be the laser of choice here at Nichols MD, and it's for a reason. And this is why we make September our Fraxel season. So if you're interested in Fraxel, give us a call.